Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll use this gold skeleton movement to build a tank-style two-tone skeleton watch. This is the NH71 movement, and you'll need this adapter ring to use it with NH35 parts. Align the two dial feet slots and the crown opening, and press till it clicks into place. The dial I'm using is a silver and gold square hollow dial which has Roman numeral cutouts. These come with only two dial feet, no extra ones. Align the two dial feet with these slots in the movement. Then press to fix the dial firmly. Let's start with the hands now. First, the hour hand. Align the hand in the center pointing towards the 12 o'clock mark. Then press it down using the hand setting tool. Ensure the hand moves freely without touching the dial. Next hand to attach is the minutes hand. Keeping the hour hand at 12, align the minutes hand pointing towards the 12 mark as well. Then press it down using the hand setting tool. Check and ensure both hands move without interfering with each other. The final hand to attach is the seconds hand. Carefully align the center. Then press it down using the hand setting tool. It works. Check and ensure that all the hands move without any interference. Remove the dummy stem that the movement was shipped along with. Place the movement onto the spacer ring. This is the case I am using. It is a two-tone tank-style square case. Remove the crown. Carefully place the case front on top of the movement. Carefully flip it upside down. Screw in the crown to a new NH35 watch stem. And insert it into the movement. Measure the excess length that needs to be cut, remove the stem, and unscrew the crown. Cut the measured length from the threaded side of the stem. Use a file to flatten the cut. Screw the crown back onto the stem and insert it into the movement. Carefully place the silicone seal and place the case back. I first put two screws on, one each diagonally opposite. Didn't tighten it fully. Then put 2 more screws, 1 each on the other 2 corners. Again, didn't tighten them completely. Now put all the remaining screws and tighten them. Tighten the earlier screws as well. This should create a good and even seal. The case back window aligns perfectly. It's looking good. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Attach the bracelet and the watch is complete. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more watch building content.